You are watching Markets for You, a daily video cast that covers market news and shares trading signals from experts. I'm Stephanie. First, the US dollar. The dollar weakened on Thursday after yesterday's FOMC meeting pushed back expectations of a rate increase to a considerable time after the end of QE, dismissing the impact of higher than target inflation as not relevant in the midterm. The greenback ended the day at 1.3606 to the euro and 101.93 to the yen. Next to the euro. The euro rose on Thursday as a result of strong demand from investors eager to buy Eurozone sovereign bonds, which received a boost after the ECB announced it was easing monetary policy at its June meeting. The single currency ended the day at 1.3606 to the dollar and 0.7983 to the pound. Today's data includes Eurozone's consumer confidence, which is expected to show a negative 6.5 reading in June. British pound. The pound strengthened on Thursday after continued buying following the recent release of the BOE meeting minutes, in which members consider a rate hike in this year as quick possible. Sterling ended the day at 1.1737 to the dollar and 0.7983 to the euro. Today's data includes public sector net borrowing, which is expected to show a rise to 12 billion in May. Japanese yen. The yen traded mixed on Thursday, rising as a result of increased geopolitical tensions in Europe, which boosted safe haven flows to the currency, but falling against the pound due to the BOE's more hawkish monetary policy outlook. The yen ended the day at 101.93 to the dollar and 173.65 to the pound. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from the experts of the field. If your pair is Euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.3585 with targets at 1.365 and 1.367 in extension. Below 1.3585, which will look for further downside with 1.357 and 1.355 as targets. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.7 with targets at 1.709 and 1.713 in extension. Below 1.7, which will look for further downside with 1.698 and 1.695 as targets. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open short positions below 102 with targets at 101.7 and 101.6 in extension. Above 102, which will look for further upside with 102.1 and 102.3 as targets. Good luck and happy trading! Tune in on Monday for the latest markets news and trading tips. I'm Stephanie, and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a great weekend.